Oh, it's so beautiful. Perfect. Looks like a sulphur, doesn't it? So here we are on Fishing Creek, or Big Fishing Creek, whatever you want to call it. But there's a Tylersville Hatchery right over the bank here. We're fishing this section, and I got the Scott Centric 9'4" weight with my Evolution LTX infinity line. I've seen some sulphurs coming off, so we're gonna try a sulphur nymph. I got the pink Oros today because I lost all the rest of them because they just kind of flew off. I don't even know how that happened.
I'm a little jealous.
He's a fighter.
Never caught a fish out here. Fucker.
Ah, he's a nice little brownie. There you go. Yeah, nice tail. Look at that. Such a beauty. All right. Go ahead, buddy. You're free.
Hit my dropper.
Nice.
Did not hit the dry.
Nice. Little brownie, huh? Nice. Wow, it's been a crazy evening. We got sulphurs coming off. You can see I got a little parachute sulphur going on right here. See that? And I have missed so many. I have caught so many. You know, just hook them up, they come right off. It's just been insane. We've just been hooking up all over the place. This is a blast. We're having a great time here. I don't even know what time it is. 7:28. Yeah, it's gonna be a late night. Right there. Come on. There he is. Yeah!
Get on video.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. Fighting bugs and fish.
Nice. There he is. I knew he had to be around. He's a fighter. He's a decent fish. Huh? Yeah. He like literally went to the bank. You believe that? You serious? Motherfucker. He was a nice fish too.
Solid.
Joe's stuck.
Stuck.
You're stuck.
Normally waiting doesn't scare me, but I stepped on something and I fell through. So Dane's gonna plot out a way for me to get out of here now.
Yeah, is it deep? It's deep. I'm just gonna try to walk over and give you a hand to make sure that you're okay.
Oh, I think I see what I fell through.
What?
The weed bed.
Yeah, the weed bed. Oh yeah, I just fell through here too. You all right?
Yeah. Holy shit.
You good?
Yeah.
There he is.
I saw that.
Nice. It ain't huge. I'll take it. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful little guy. I love the colors on him. And so ends a beautiful evening on Fishing Creek. I don't know how many we caught. I haven't the slightest idea, but you caught 2. I think I caught 2 or 3, but I missed I don't know how many. I had that real nice one on and it got off. He got tangled in the weeds, but I can't complain. I had a freaking blast.